right, what are you doing up there? That's Nate. That was Nate's, well, one of his beds last night. He slept down here. This is the kids' camp. Pretty cool. And he even had his own TV.
Man.
And he had
Can
bears.
I get down?
Yep, you can get down.
Bears on the wall. And
Help
he fell down yesterday off of the bunk.
We almost thought he had
We almost
died.
thought that we had to go to the hospital.
Well,
At least we did.
I
Hi, Zachy.
Nate, climb in there and stick your head out of the window.
Yeah. Hey, Nathan, have you had fun at the water park?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was your favorite?
Pool.
The pool. What did you do in the pool?
Not any again.
You did too.
I did.
What did you cross on a rope? Did you cross on a rope?
Yeah.
Was it soap on a rope?
Yeah.
And then what else did you do on the pool?
Not any again.
Did you play basketball
Yeah.
and swim?
No.
You didn't swim?
No, I got a little bit. Then I ride on the water, sir.
And you played on a water slide? All kinds of fun.